Hi everybody, welcome to Champion Trading. What we're demonstrating for you today, this is the Waukesha Model 30 positive displacement sanitary pump. It's in 316 stainless. We have rebuilt the unit. Has all new bearings, oil side and product side seals. In this case, this unit is operating with a mechanical seal. You can see the white ceramic portion of the seal. It interfaces with a carbon which seats into the back of the housing of the pump. Has the pressure relief cover. We're running at full capacity right now, 220 volts. Has a brand new 1.5 Euro drive on it. Let me give you a look here. It's our test tank we use to circulate. And that should be about a full 30 gallons per minute, which is what the pump is rated for. We have lots of pumps like this in our stock and do offer reconditioning on most of them. So we hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we certainly look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us today for this video. Hope to see you soon.